Welcome back, Crypto Explorers, to part 2 of our cryptocurrency mining guide, equipment, and setup.
This is presented to you by Education 4708. Just proceed to view the full content.
In the last episode, we dove into the exciting world of cryptocurrency mining, exploring its mechanics and potential rewards. Now, it's time to get our hands dirty and talk about the tools of the trade. In this lesson, we'll break down the exact hardware and software you need to start mining. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to mine a few satoshis or an aspiring entrepreneur building a mining farm, you'll leave this session with the confidence to choose and set up your mining gear properly. Let's get started. Let's begin with ASIC Miners application-specific integrated circuits. Now, these aren't your everyday computer chips. These are specialized pieces of hardware, meticulously engineered for one purpose and one purpose only: mining specific cryptocurrencies, primarily Bitcoin. Think of ASICs as the heavy artillery of the mining world. They're like the difference between panning for gold with a simple pan versus operating a massive industrial dredging operation. A popular example is the Bitmain Antminer S19. It's a beast of a machine, capable of churning out hashes at an astonishing rate, all while sipping power relatively efficiently. However, this raw power comes at a cost, literally. ASIC miners can be expensive upfront, and they generate a fair amount of heat and noise. Imagine a small vacuum cleaner running constantly, and you'll get the idea. This means you need a dedicated space with proper cooling and ventilation. So, are ASICs right for you? If you're serious about Bitcoin mining, have the budget, and can handle the heat and noise, then absolutely. But if you're just dipping your toes into the mining pool, we need to explore other options. Next up, we have GPUs or graphics cards, the workhorses of the gaming world, but equally adept at mining a wide range of cryptocurrencies, particularly altcoins. Unlike ASICs, which are purpose-built for specific algorithms, GPUs offer flexibility. Think of them as the Swiss Army knives of the mining world. They can mine a variety of altcoins, including Ethereum Classic and Caspa. And if you decide to explore other avenues, you can easily repurpose them for gaming, 3D rendering, or even artificial intelligence tasks. Two popular choices in the GPU arena are the NVIDIA RTX 3070, a card that strikes a balance between power and performance, and the AMD RX 6800, known for its cost-effectiveness and efficiency. Now, GPUs might not pack the brute force of ASICs when it comes to Bitcoin mining, but they offer a lower barrier to entry, greater versatility, and a quieter mining experience. So, you've decided to venture into the world of GPU mining. Excellent choice. Now let's talk about building your very own mining rig, a symphony of components working in harmony to generate those precious crypto rewards. First, you'll need a motherboard, the central nervous system of your rig. But not just any motherboard will do. You need one specifically designed for mining, like the ASRock H110 Pro BTC Plus, which can accommodate multiple GPUs, often 4 or more. Think of it as the foundation of your mining operation. Next, you'll need a robust power supply unit, PSU, the heart of your rig. This is not the time to skimp on quality. Aim for a PSU with an 80+ gold certification or higher to ensure efficient and reliable power delivery to your power-hungry GPUs. Now let's talk about cooling. GPUs generate heat, and lots of it. To keep your rig running smoothly and prevent overheating, you'll need adequate cooling. This could involve a combination of powerful fans strategically placed within your rig, or even a dedicated air conditioning unit for larger setups. Finally, you'll need a sturdy mining frame, the skeleton of your operation. This provides structure and organization, ensuring proper airflow around your components, which is crucial for maintaining optimal temperatures and preventing costly hardware failures. Chapter 4. Power up your mining operation. With your mining hardware assembled, it's time to address the crucial elements of power and internet connectivity, the lifeblood of any successful mining operation. First and foremost, ensure a stable and reliable power supply. Mining rigs are notorious for their appetite for electricity. Before plugging in your rig, carefully calculate its power consumption and ensure that your electrical circuit can handle the load safely. Overloading circuits is a recipe for disaster, potentially leading to tripped breakers or even electrical fires. To safeguard your investment from unexpected power outages, consider investing in an uninterruptible power supply, or UPS. A UPS acts as a safety net, providing temporary power to your rig in case of a blackout, allowing you to shut down your system gracefully and avoid potential data loss or hardware damage. Equally important is a stable internet connection. Your mining rig needs to communicate constantly with the blockchain network, and a shaky internet connection can lead to decreased earnings. A wired Ethernet connection is always preferable to Wi-Fi, as it offers greater stability and lower latency. Chapter 5: Mining Operating Systems, the Software Foundation. Now that we've covered the hardware essentials, let's dive into the world of software, the brains behind your mining operation. At the heart of it all is the mining operating system, or OS, the software that breathes life into your rig. Choosing the right mining OS can significantly impact your mining efficiency and overall experience. For those managing multiple rigs, especially remotely, HiveOS is an excellent choice. This Linux-based OS is specifically designed for mining, offering a user-friendly interface, remote monitoring capabilities, and effortless configuration for various mining software. If you're running a smaller single GPU setup and are already familiar with the Windows environment, you can opt for Windows as your mining OS. While not purpose-built for mining like HiveOS, Windows offers familiarity and compatibility with a wide range of mining software. Another solid option is HiveOS, a Linux-based mining OS that offers both free and paid versions. HiveOS boasts a user-friendly interface, supports a wide range of mining hardware, and provides excellent stability and performance. Chapter 6: Mining Software, Unleashing Your Rig's Potential. With your mining OS in place, it's time to choose the software that will unleash your rig's full potential, the mining software. ASIC Miner is a veteran in the mining world, known for its power and compatibility with ASIC miners. However, it's not the most user-friendly option, as it relies on a command line interface. If you're comfortable with command prompts and prefer a no-frills, highly customizable mining experience, ASIC Miner is worth considering. For beginners or those seeking a more streamlined approach, NiceHash is an excellent choice. This user-friendly software automatically selects the most profitable coin to mine based on your hardware and current market conditions, taking the guesswork out of mining. Phoenix Miner is another popular choice, particularly for Ethereum and GPU mining. It's known for its efficiency, stability, and regular updates, ensuring that you're always mining at your best. Chapter 7: Crypto Wallets, Safeguarding Your Digital Treasure. Congratulations, your mining rig is up and running, diligently generating those precious crypto rewards. Now, you need a secure place to store your hard-earned digital treasure, a cryptocurrency wallet. Think of crypto wallets as digital vaults, each with its own unique address, allowing you to send, receive, and store your cryptocurrencies. There are two main types of wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets like MetaMask and Trust Wallet are software-based wallets that are connected to the internet. They offer convenience and ease of use, making them ideal for everyday transactions and accessing your crypto on the go. For long-term storage of larger amounts of cryptocurrency, cold wallets like the Ledger Nano S or X are the gold standard. These hardware wallets store your private keys offline, providing the highest level of security against hacking and theft. Remember, your private keys are the keys to your crypto kingdom. Never share them with anyone, and always enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Chapter 8: Joining Forces, The power of mining pools. In the early days of cryptocurrency mining, solo mining was a viable option. However, as the difficulty of mining increased, it became akin to finding a needle in a haystack. That's where mining pools come in, offering a way to combine your hashing power with other miners worldwide, increasing your chances of earning consistent rewards. Think of a mining pool as a lottery syndicate. You pool your resources with others, and if anyone in the pool wins, the rewards are shared among the participants based on their contributed hashing power. Slush Pool is a popular choice for Bitcoin miners, known for its reliability, fair reward distribution, and long-standing reputation in the mining community. For Ethereum miners, Ethermine is the go-to option, offering a user-friendly interface, detailed statistics, and a large, active community. Chapter 9. Monitoring Tools. Keeping your finger on the pulse. Now that your mining rig is humming along, diligently contributing to the blockchain network, you need to keep a watchful eye on its performance, ensuring that everything is running smoothly and efficiently. That's where mining monitoring tools come in. MinerStat and Awesome Miner are two popular choices, offering comprehensive dashboards that provide real-time insights into your mining operation. You can monitor your rig's hash rate, temperature, fan speed, and profitability, all from a central location. These tools also provide valuable features such as automated alerts for hardware errors, offline rigs, or changes in mining profitability, allowing you to address issues proactively and maximize your mining uptime. Chapter 10. Security Measures. Protecting your mining oasis. As with any valuable asset, security should be a top priority for your mining operation. By implementing robust security measures, you can safeguard your investment and protect your hard-earned crypto rewards from potential threats. First and foremost, secure your network. A strong firewall acts as a digital barrier, preventing unauthorized access to your mining rig and protecting it from malware and other cyber threats. A virtual private network, or VPN, encrypts your internet traffic, adding an extra layer of security, especially if you're managing your rig remotely. Regularly update your mining OS and software. Software updates often include security patches that address known vulnerabilities, making it more difficult for hackers to exploit your system. And remember, public Wi-Fi is convenient but risky. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks for managing your mining rig, as these networks are often unsecured, making your rig vulnerable to attacks. Outrow ready to mine? And there you have it. A comprehensive overview of the equipment and setup required to embark on your cryptocurrency mining journey. To recap, choose between ASICs for Bitcoin mining and GPUs for altcoin mining. Considering your budget, technical expertise, and desired level of involvement, build your rig with a solid motherboard, PSU, cooling, and a mining frame, ensuring proper ventilation and organization. Ensure stable power and internet, safeguarding your investment with a UPS and a reliable internet connection. Use a dedicated mining OS like HiveOS or HiveOS and appropriate software like CG Miner, NiceHash, or Phoenix Miner, depending on your needs and experience level. Store your coins safely in a trusted wallet, choosing between hot wallets like MetaMask and Trust Wallet for convenience, or cold wallets like the Ledger Nano S or X for maximum security. In Part 3, we'll cover how to actually begin mining, setting up your software, configuring your settings, and joining a mining pool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.